raise your hand if you have ever told yourself, okay, I'll just scroll for 5 minutes, and then suddenly it's 2 a.m. and you're still on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. Yeah, guilty. We all do it. Now, here's the thing, we are already spending so much time on this app. Wouldn't it make more sense to actually make money while doing it? Not in that scamming, just click here and get rich overnight kind of way. I'm talking about real practical ways you can use social media as a hand. Whether you just want a little side cash for your next trip, a way to cover your bills, or you're just testing waters for something bigger, there are legit parts here. And the best part, you don't need to be Insta famous, have a blue check, or even thousands of followers. So, in today's video, I'm going to break down 6 beginner friendly ways you can make money on social media, even if you are starting from scratch. Stick around until the very end because one of these might literally be the missing piece you have been looking for. Let's dive right in. Number one is affiliate marketing. This one is my personal favorite because it feels almost like having your money work for you. If you have been around my channel, you know I talk a lot about side hustles and online business, but affiliate marketing, that's one of the OG streams of income. Like, here's how it works. You recommend a product or service you trust, someone buys through your link, you get a commission, that's it. And no, you don't need to be an influencer. I started with less than 1,000 followers and I was already making sales. Now, the real secret isn't just spamming links like, go buy this right now. That doesn't work. Instead, focus on creating content that actually helps people. Think product reviews, side-by-side comparisons, or tutorial. Stuff people are already searching for. Start simple with Amazon Associates or go for networks like Impact, Partner Stack, or Share a Sale or Seller. And here's a little pro tip. If you are serious about building this long term, don't just stick to TikTok or YouTube. Eventually, get your own website. Why? Because when you rely only on social platforms, you don't actually own your audience. One algorithm change and poof, you're invisible. But with your home blog or website, draft traffic is yours forever. The second one is user-generated content, and this is what I do. If you have been stressing about not having a big audience, this one will make you smile. Because with UGC, your audience size doesn't even matter. Here's the deal. Brands are always looking for authentic, relatable content to use in their ads or on their socials. And they'd rather pay you to make that content than run stage-looking commercials. That's where you come in. You're not posting this content on your homepage, you are creating it for the brand. And some brands pay really well for this. All you need is creativity and the ability to film short, engaging videos or photos. You need to start by building a small portfolio, use content you have already made, or create sample work around products you like. Then pitch to brands or join platforms like Below, Join Brands, or UGC marketplaces. The beauty of this is that you don't have to wait until you are big. You can create quality content you are in. Now, the third one, I kind of dabbled into this last year. If you have a skill, a hobby, or even just a system that works for you, you can sell digital products. Like, it could be a planner, an ebook, a Notion template, a budgeting tracker, or even a mini course. I love this because it's the definition of passive income. You create it once and it can sell over and over without you lifting a finger. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Star Store make it super beginner friendly. One creator I follow sells digital budget trackers on Etsy, like nothing too fancy, just well designed templates. And she's been making consistent sales for years. That's the kind of long game digital products allow you to play. And don't think you need to be some experts. If you have solved the problem for yourself, chances are there are people out there willing to pay for the solution too. Now, moving on to number 4. This one is brand partnerships and sponsorships. Now, you might be thinking, wait, isn't this only for influencers with massive following? No, micro influencers are actually in demand right now. I got my very first brand deal when I had about 900 followers. Barely anybody, right? But brands love smaller creators because our audiences tend to trust us more. To start with, focus on a niche. Consistency is key because brands don't just pay for your content, they pay for access to your audience. So if you are the budgeting tips person or healthy cooking person, brands who fit that niche will be way more likely to reach out. Once you have built a small audience, keep track of your stats, who is watching, where they are from, and how engaged they are. Brands care about those numbers more than raw subscriber counts. And if you don't want to wait for them to come to you. Join platforms like Collabstar, Influence, obviously, Logic, where you can actually connect with brands directly. Now, moving on to number 5. This one is monetization and ad revenue. This is one everybody knows about: ads, creator funds, platform payouts. Whether it's YouTube AdSense or TikTok's creator fund or Instagram bonuses, this is the most straightforward way to earn once you qualify. Yes, it takes time to get there. On YouTube, you need 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours. On TikTok and Instagram, they have their own thresholds. But once you are in, content you posted months or even years ago can keep paying you. Personally, some of my older videos still bring in more daily, and even though I haven't touched them in years, it's like planting seeds that keep growing. So imagine making a video in 2022 and it's still covering bills for you in 2025. That's the power of evergreen content. Now, number 6 is promoting your own businesses or services. Finally, let's talk about using social media as a free marketing tool. So if you're a coach, a freelancer, small business owner, or you offer any kind of advice, this one is for you. I've seen real estate agents do virtual tours on YouTube and TikTok. Wedding planners share behind the scenes tips, fitness trainers post quick workout videos, all of them using social media not to become influencers but to drive clients straight to their business. In fact, I found out that a creator I know, like, she makes sales just by doing this. She's not an influencer. She just come on social media, talk about her brand. That's basically what she posts. So that's the real magic of this method. You don't need to chase views, you just need to show up for the right people. Those are 6 real ways you can start making money on social media, even without a massive following. None of these are overnight get rich hacks. They all take some effort, some consistency, and a little patience. But if you stick with them, you can turn the time you already spend online into something that pays you back. So if you are serious about building income streams like this, make sure to subscribe, because I share different ways you can make money on this channel. And if you enjoy videos like this, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.